The landscape of photography has just been hit by a tidal wave, and for once, it's not coming from Sony or Canon. While the world was distracted by global shutter hype and overpriced cine rigs, Nikon was quietly working in the shadows of Wetzlar and Tokyo to create something that shouldn't exist. In early 2026, the leaks moved from possible to undeniable. We are talking about the Nikon Z6 IV. This isn't just a Mark IV update, it is a total declaration of war. If you thought the Z6 III was the peak of the mid-range hybrid, you are about to see why Nikon's 2026 strategy is being called the Sony killer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at a brand new 33 megapixel partially stacked sensor, 6K internal RAW, and an AI autofocus system borrowed directly from the flagship Z9 that is, according to internal testers, faster than the human eye can track. But there is a secret hidden in the new X8 processor that Nikon isn't ready to talk about yet. Something that changes the way we look at low-light photography forever. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because we are deep diving into the leaked schematics, the 2026 price war, and the shocking reason why the Z6 IV might be the most important camera Nikon has released in a decade. If you are even considering an upgrade this year, you cannot afford to miss this. To understand the Z6 IV, we have to look at the massive chip on Nikon's shoulder. For years, Nikon was the underdog in the mirrorless race. But then the Z9 happened. Then the Z8 happened. And suddenly, the industry realized that Nikon wasn't just catching up, they were leading. The Z6 IV is the culmination of that momentum. The biggest leak of 2026 centers around the sensor. Reliable sources from the supply chain suggest Nikon has moved away from the 24 megapixel standard. The Z6 IV is reportedly rocking a 33 megapixel BSI partially stacked CMOS sensor. This is the sweet spot. It's enough resolution for high-end editorial work and weddings, but fast enough to maintain the insane burst speeds Nikon users have grown to love. We're talking about 20 frames per second in full 14-bit RAW with zero blackout. When you put your eye to that viewfinder, the world doesn't flicker, it just flows. But the sensor is only half the story. The real magic happens inside the new X8 engine. 2026 is the year of AI-integrated hardware, and Nikon is leaning in hard. The Z6 IV is rumored to feature neural noise reduction, built directly into the image processing pipeline. This isn't a filter you apply later. It's a hardware-level deep learning system that analyzes noise patterns in real time. The result? ISO 12800 that looks like ISO 800 on any other camera. For street photographers in New York or wildlife shooters in the dim forests of the Pacific Northwest, this is the end of the clean image struggle. You can shoot in near darkness and come home with files that look like they were lit by a professional crew. Let's talk about the autofocus, because this is where Sony usually wins, until now. The Z6 IV is reportedly using a triple-core AF system. It doesn't just track eyes and faces, it uses the new subject intent algorithm. If you're at a wedding and a guest walks in front of the bride, the camera doesn't jump. It understands the bride is the subject and stays locked with a tenacity that feels almost telepathic. Leaked field tests from sports photographers show the Z6 IV locking onto a soccer ball at 100